How to create a sub bullet point in your Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a bullet point or a sub bullet point in your Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have a list ready. After you have a list ready, what you'll need to do is select all of them and then put them in a bullet point. Now, after you put them in a bullet point, just select the part that you want as a sub bullet point. Now, I'll have apple, bananas, grapes inside fruits. That is a list inside fruits. So I'll just need to select them. And then on the top, you should find an option called increase indent. Tap on that and now you will have a sub bullet point. Now, let us do that again. Now I have grape and there are two types of grape, green and black. So I'll just select green and black and then tap on increase indent, and now there is a sub bullet point from grape as well. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.